I am making some lip balm. I'm going to be using all natural beeswax from Polk County Honey Guy. That's the only name that he gave me. I met him at the Van Meter Farmers Market a few weeks ago, and he gave me some information about his bees and how he feeds them, how they pollinate, what kind of flowers they use, and I was really impressed. So I bought this beeswax. I actually bought 2 of these, and I mean, it was a really good deal. If you don't have all natural beeswax, you can use a little granular beeswax that's already been graded and everything. It's like little pellets or something. It also comes in a natural. These came from Rome and Central Beeswax. But it comes in natural and it also comes in the white. But today I'm going to be using this beautiful, smells so good, all natural beeswax, pure beeswax. I'm also going to be using some mango butter in it. I'm going to be using some shea butter, some fractionated coconut oil, some vitamin E, and then I'm going to have some flavored oil as well. So to keep this video short, I'm just going to get started. This is not a tutorial, just kind of show you how I do it. I had purchased this, I don't know, quite a few years back, and I use it a lot. But for some reason, I needed some more of these tubes here, these lip balm tubes, and I got a bunch off of the website, and the holes were too big. They was just too big to go in, and I was really surprised because they're 0.15 ounces, but the mouth of them is way too big. And I thought, oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm not going to use that today. So what I did do is that I took a bunch of them together, and I just took some packing tape, and I just taped them up so I don't make a mess. Because usually if I just sit one and try to pull something into one, I make a mess. I'm probably going to make a mess even with doing it this way, but I think it's going to be a lot better, I'm thinking. Okay, so with further ado, I've already got all of my ingredients together here because it takes a little while for the beeswax to melt. I always put the shea butter in last because the shea butter, it doesn't like a lot of heat, so if you put too much heat to it, it gets kind of a grainy like texture to it, so you don't want that. Another thing, this is at 149, so it should be okay. If you put it too hot, you can melt your containers there, so you don't want to put it too hot, and it gets very hot, so you have to be really careful with this. I think that's going to be fine though. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill these guys up here, and you don't want to fill them all the way to the top if you're doing this at home. You just want to sort of like that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to pour this without making a mess here. And another thing, you want to make sure that you screw these down, because they do come screwed down, but I have had them. So you want to make sure that that they're screwed all the way down. So when you pour your beeswax in there, pour your lip balm ingredients in, it doesn't stop halfway. You're going to take it all the way down to the end. So that's pretty important. I've done that before, and it was like, what happened? I probably do better holding these in my hands, but I'm going to go ahead and keep trying to do it this way, and it seems like it's going really good. Like I said, you don't want to fill them all the way up. And then afterwards, if you wonder how I'm going to get this loose, I'm just going to take some scissors and cut the tape off, because they're going to be all nice and hard, and it's not a problem. So I really like this, but I would have much rather have had my lip balm maker, the holder for the lip balm tubes. I would love to, because I love using it, because when you can just pour it all the way on and just scrape it off. I use this putty knife to scrape it off, and it scrapes off really good. Okay, so there you have it. So basically what I did was, I didn't make too big a mess, but I made some. I just kind of filled it up just enough there, so when it hardens, I can go back and pour some more over the top, and that'll cover up the little hole that you normally see in them. If you make it and you wonder why it's got a hole, that's why. Like I said, you don't want to put it too hot, because if you put it too hot, it can melt your container. And Well, I got them done. I made a big variety of different ones. I didn't make as many as I normally make because, like I said, they just didn't fit. So normally when I have this whole like 50 lip balm tubes, and you can just pour it in and just get at it. But because I wasn't able to use this, I was limited there. But anyway, I also made some sugar scrub as well. And the way it works, you just put a little bit on your lips and you rub it in, and then you just reinforce it with the lip balm. And you can find this on my website as well. It's at www.aromadelightbeautycareproducts.com. So also wanted to give you guys a little bit of updates on what's going on with the videos. Hopefully I will be making more videos. I have a lot of videos in my editing process. They're being edited. So as soon as they're ready, I will be downloading them. You can just hit the little bell on my YouTube channel, and it will let you know when I've made a video. So hopefully I will be able to have them done on Wednesdays. I'm trying to lock myself into a day, so hopefully on a Wednesday, if you check, I should have some videos up on a Wednesday. So with that being said, I'm going to say check the website out. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Also, there's a little, like I said, there's a little bell. Just hit that bell and it will let you know when I have a video up and running. Thank you guys so much, and have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.